Okay. Good morning, students. Today we can discuss fourth problem in exercise 7.3. Already third problem is completed. Now fourth problem. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5. 3, -2 and 2, 3. Here given four vertices of a quadrilateral. So you can take first quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four sides having a closed figure having four sides is called quadrilateral. Here four sides is there and closed figure. So quadrilateral means a closed figure having four sides. Here four vertices also there, A, B, C, D. Now you can take vertices in order, that means continuous. First one you can take -4, -2. Second one -3, -5. You take in order. So first one, second one, next third one. Third one given what? 3, -2. And fourth one 2, 3. These are the given vertices of a quadrilateral. So here mentioned in diagram, A, B, C, D are the vertices of a triangle quadrilateral, and quadrilateral is divided. Suppose you can draw a diagonal. Suppose we can draw a diagonal AC. It is divided into two triangles. Here AC is a diagonal and BD also another diagonal. Anyone you can take AC or BD. Suppose you can take AC. Here two triangles form. What is that? ABC is one triangle. ACD is second triangle. Suppose you can take diagonal BD. Here also two triangles form. First one ABD. Second one ABCD. So you can take any one. Suppose first you can take AC. AC is the diagonal of a quadrilateral. We have formed two triangles. This is first triangle, suppose this one first triangle ABC. Second triangle here ACD. This is second triangle. Now in given problem, find the area of the quadrilateral. We find area of the quadrilateral means this total area. That means first triangle plus second triangle. This first triangle are ABC triangle and ACD triangle. These two triangles, sum of these two triangles is area of the quadrilateral. Because you know that area of the triangle formula. So first use ABC triangle area. Next you can find ACD triangle area. In given, what is given? Vertices of a quadrilateral. So ABCD are the vertices of a triangle. What you find? Area of the quadrilateral. So first you write solution. Given you write vertices of a quadrilateral. Let A first one -4, -2. Second one that is B -3, -5. C third one 3, -2 and fourth one is D, that is 2, 3 are the vertices of a quadrilateral. These are the given four vertices. Now you can take first ABC triangle area, next ACD triangle area. What you find? Area of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral. How to find? Adding the areas of two triangles. First one was area of first triangle. Area of triangle ABC plus second triangle what? Area of triangle ACD. This one second triangle. This is the given vertices of a quadrilateral. Now what you find? Area of the quadrilateral. How to find area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle AC? Okay, first you find area of the triangle ABC. Area of the triangle ABC. Okay, you know that already formula. X1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Three vertices are given. Okay, then the area of the triangle is of modulus of x1 into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula for area of the triangle. This formula now we can use. First you write, suppose that A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. C x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Then area of the triangle ABC equal to half into modulus of, already you know that formula, half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, modulus close. This formula you can use now. Here ABC, three vertices is there. Now you can take area of the triangle ABC vertices. First one A. How much here given? A is minus 4 comma minus 2. Next B. Here given how much? Minus 3 comma minus 5. And C, third vertex. Here 3 comma minus. These three vertices formed a triangle ABC. So first you can find this triangle area. Here you write. So ABC vertices are the vertices of triangle ABC. Then now you find area of the triangle ABC. That is equal to half modulus of, here substitute that. First one x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Here write already formula. So this one x1 y1, second one x2 y2, third one x3 y3. Now substitute this formula. First x1. Here x1 means minus 4 into y2. Y2 means here minus 5. Minus, in formula minus is there, you write minus. Next y3. Y3 means here minus 2. Already minus in formula and y3 value also minus 2. So first term will go over. Next second term plus second term start with x2. x2 means here minus 3. So you write minus 3 into y3 minus y2. y1. y3 means here minus 2. Minus, formula you write minus. Next value y1. y1 means here minus 2. So already minus is there, so take bracket. Second term also completed. Now you write third term. Third term start with x3. x3 means here 3 into y1 minus y2. y1 here minus 2. In formula minus. Next you write y2 value. y2 here minus 5. So minus 5. So modulus close. Now simplification of modulus of minus 4 into minus plus. What you write? Minus 5 plus 2 plus into minus here minus 3. Next minus 2 minus into minus here plus 2. Last term, third term. Here write 3 into minus 2 minus into minus here. So plus is coming. Minus 2 plus 5. Modulus close. Of modulus of minus 4 into minus 5 plus 2. In bracket value what you get? Minus more value. So minus we get. Minus value is big. So minus we get. Minus 5 plus 2 means we get minus 3. First term is over. Next second term. Minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2. That means we get 0. Plus 3 into third term. 3 into here minus 2 plus 5. Plus is the big value. So you get plus here. 5 minus 2. That is equal to 3. Modulus close. Now simplify. Half into modulus of minus into minus here you get plus 4 into 3 plus 12 you get 3 into 0. That means any number you can multiply with 0 you get 0. So 12 minus 0. 3 3s are third term 9. So 12 plus 9. Here 0 no. 12 minus 0 is 12 plus 9. That is equal to 21. Here half into 21. That is equal to simplify 21 by 2. This is the area of the triangle ABC. So area means what you write? Square units. This is the first triangle area ABC, and another one here there ACD also second triangle. So we find now area of the second triangle ACD. Here second triangle name is area of the triangle ACD. Now first we take vertices ACB. Are the three vertices of a triangle ACD. Now here write A, that means minus 4, minus 2, and C 3 comma minus 2, and D 2 comma 3 are the vertices of a triangle ACD. Then area of the triangle ACD. Already you know that formula. Area of the triangle is already right. So first vertex x1 y1 you can take. Second vertex x2 y2. Third vertex x3 y3. Now substitute that of modulus of, here formula is there, of modulus of x1. X1 means here how much? Minus 4 into y2 minus y3. You write y2 value. Here y2 equal to minus 2 minus y3. y3 means 3. Now plus first term is our x1 into y2 minus y3. After you write plus. Next x2. x2 means here 3 into y3 minus y1. y3 value here 3 minus y1. Already here minus is there. So minus of minus. Second term over. Next third term. Plus third term on. Third term here x3 into y1 minus y2. x3 here 2 into y1 minus y2. y1 means here minus 2. Minus, in formula minus is there, so you write minus, and y2. y2 already minus is there, so minus of minus. Modulus close. That is equal to of modulus of, now simplification, minus 4 into minus 2 minus 3. Now adding minus 5 plus 3 into minus plus, that is 3 plus 2 plus 2 into minus 2, here minus into minus, so we get plus 2. Modulus close. Again simplification of minus 4 into, here minus into minus is there, so plus 4 into 5, 20, plus 20 we get 3 plus 2. Here 3 plus 2 means in bracket 5 you get, 5 into 3, here 15 you get. Here minus 2 plus 2 means 0. 0 into 2, you get 0. So total half into 20 plus 15, you get 35 modulus. In modulus value positive, so modulus is removed. That is equal to 35 by 2. That is equal to square units. This is the area of the triangle AC. Now already you find area of the triangle ABC, first triangle, and area of the second triangle AC. Now both are first triangle and second triangle add now. What you get? Area of the total quadrilateral. So therefore now area of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral equal to, here already write area of the quadrilateral equal to, how to get area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ABC plus second triangle area of the triangle ACD. Now substitute this. First one already get area of the triangle ABC value, that is 21 by 2. Plus second triangle area of the triangle ACD value you get 35 by 2. Now simplification. 2 is the LCM. In denominator 2 common. So 2 LCM take 21 plus 35. What you get? Numerator 21 plus 35 means you get 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 5, 56 by 2. 56 by 2 means 228. So what you get? 28. That is the area of the quadrilateral. Now you write required area of the quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral. How much you get? Required area of the quadrilateral equal to, you get 28. So 28 square units. Okay, area is mentioned in the square unit. So you write in the required area of the quadrilateral is 28 square units. Okay. This is the fourth problem. Okay, what you find is here area of the triangle ABC, quadrilateral ABCD. Okay, how to get first one triangle and second another side triangle. These both triangles are added. Then we get area of the quadrilateral. So take notes and practice that. Okay, thank you.